Hello guys, this is Harold, and don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following this random creep I met. He has a gun. I'm kind of scared. As you can see, oh Jesus, it's wet. I'll have to like run or something. So I got some surgery done. I'm much more sleek. Okay. Anyway, I'm following this weird dude because I don't know why, but I am. And let's just see what this guy wants me to do, or what he's going to do to me. Okay. Oh, the ground's wet. Hello? What? What? Fans, help! Santa, help! He kidnapped me. I'm gonna try and escape. I'm gonna try and run from him when he least expects it. Then I'll be safe. When he least expects it. Run! Oh, Jesus, he's a demon! Ah! Oh, Jesus! Ah! He's gaining on me! Ah! This might be the end of Harold, folks! Ah! Crap. Cameraman, get your hand out of the shot. Yeah, thanks, cameraman. I gotta just go. It's very hard to hold this with no hands. Cameraman, shoot him! Gunshot noises! Kapow! I should not have dropped that. Oh no! Ah! Ah! What is this? I just went out for a nature vlog. He's talking. I need to get inside. I need to get away. Okay. Oh no, he's coming! He's going back there. I'm going to spy on him. It was very intense what just happens, folks. But I managed to pull through. Alright. Cameraman! Get your hand out of the shot. Sorry about that. Just freaked out. Behind me. He's not there yet. He doesn't see me if I don't move. If I don't move, I'm invisible. Cameraman, don't move. He can't see me. He can't sniff me anyway. He's getting water. He can't see me. Make a run for it! Jesus. Stay back! Stay away from Harold! Cameraman, get your hand out of the shot.
Hello.
Ah! Speaks.
That's not why I'm here.
Why are you here then?
I was sent from the future.
You don't look like you were sent from the future.
Yeah, because I don't want no one to be deceived. Where future clothes and stuff.
I honestly do not care. I do not play Nintendo games. Play rated R games. I am mature. Rated R is for
Not
movies.
if you see a guy walking around with a push pop, you should leave.
Push pop.
That's the past me. There's a bounty on you. You're the most smartest human being in the world.
I'm not a human.
You're the strong. You're the most powerfulest robot in the world.
I'm not a robot either.
I don't know what you are.
I'm a creature.
It's a creature. If you're a creature, why do you have that and that? So you can plug into a wall?
No, those are my eyes and my mouth.
Fine. Then what do you put in your mouth?
Food,
What kind of food?
the yummy kind.
Like cords?
Like food.
Well,
Like potatoes. And beans. And squirrels. I think.
do not let it out the push pop.
I think.
You all follow me.
I think he's scared of squirrels.
Your camera.
Anyway, guys, I gotta go, kinda, because this recording is about to die. See you later. Bye.